Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of vanilla cake. This cake is almost loved by everyone. If you follow this recipe, your cake will be spongy and it's very easy. The ingredients I'll list down in the description box below. So for baking the cake, I'm using eggs at room temperature. I'll add 4 eggs and then I'll add sugar and I will whisk this in low speed for 5 to 6 minutes, and then gradually I'll keep on increasing the speed till the mixture becomes fluffy enough. After whisking eggs and sugar together, I will add vanilla flavor and milk, and again I will whisk it for 3 minutes in medium speed. After whisking for a good 3 to 4 minutes, I will gradually add the oil in the mixture and I will whisk it again for 3 to 4 minutes in medium speed. Now I will add the dry ingredients, that is all-purpose flour and baking powder. I will mix this in very low speed. I will not over whisk it because then my cake will not rise, it will not become spongy. As you can see, I'm tapping from the sides so that the flour that is attached in the corner also gets mixed in the mixture. I'll whisk this for 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that, until everything is combined well. As you can see, it's combined. Now it's time for me to pour the mixture in a baking pan. As you can see, I want the cake batter to have this consistency, not too thick, neither too light. Then I will grease the cake pan. I'm using oil, you can use butter as well. Then I'm using butter paper. You can avoid this step, but I like to avoid risk so my cake doesn't get burnt from the bottom. Then I will pour the cake batter in the cake tin. I'll simply tap the cake tin so that I get rid of any bubbles, and then I will bake this in the oven for 45 minutes in medium flame. Here it goes for the baking. After 45 minutes, here comes freshly baked homemade vanilla cake. Nothing is better than that. I'll stick a knife into it. If it's clean, then my cake is perfectly baked. I'll just scrape from the side. I couldn't wait it to cool down, but you should wait for the cake to cool down. Then I just flipped it over. Here comes the best part. Ta-da! Can you see? Oh my god, it smells so amazing. I cannot wait to show you guys how it's from inside, perfectly baked. Now, if you like this recipe, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.